I made over $500,000 in the last few years at the age of 21, and here are the 5 highest paying work from home jobs right now. And I'm going to share with you the best jobs right now, not only based on how easy it is to get started, but also how much potential they have. So you can make as much money as possible in the long run. Because you don't want an online job that just pays enough for a cup of coffee, but rather one that can potentially be life-changing if you do it. But let's be honest, everybody and their mom wants to work online and be an entrepreneur right now. But not many people actually succeed. And the biggest reason is that most people consume the wrong information on YouTube or online and learn from people that never actually done it themselves. And most of the information spread online about work from home jobs is really terrible. So I went out and I found these 5 best jobs based on my experience. I've done a few of these jobs myself as well, so I know how much money can you actually make. So if you're a student or literally anyone that wants to make money online, then this is the perfect video for you. I'm not going to sell you anything in this video, I'm just going to give you the best 5 jobs in my opinion. So let's start with the first one, which is content strategist. So this is one of the newest and best jobs right now that no one is talking about. And it's also one of my favorites. And it's basically exactly what it sounds like. You are gonna help brands or creators improve their content in order to get attention, more leads and more sales online for their business. And it seems that all the biggest brands and all the biggest names have already started creating content online. And there are over 45 million professional content creators right now. And a lot of these brands and creators need help with growing their social media with their content. There were literally never a better time to start creating content than now. And there is a reason for that. Content not only boosts your brand and awareness, but on top of it, you actually get paid to do it. For instance, YouTube has an AdSense program where they pay you for your views. All you need to do is to learn and master one social media platform, then reach out to creators or brands online on Instagram or LinkedIn or elsewhere and ask them if they need help with their content. And if some of them say yes, then simply offer to work with them. And you might need to work for free in the beginning to show that you can actually help them, but later you can grow within a company very fast and make a lot of money. Because the content is very important for all the brands and creators, so they will be ready to pay you if you can actually help them. The key here is to study and become good at just one social media platform at the beginning. It can be YouTube, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, etc. That's literally it. And as you can see here, a content strategist can make anywhere from $60,000 to $100,000 a year. And I even personally know someone that is making more than $50,000 every single month, which is more than $600,000 a year, which is more than most of the doctors and lawyers make. And the reason is that he actually became very good at that one social media platform, and now he helps and works with one of the biggest creators online. And the great news is that this is not a position that you need a degree or previous work experience. And you can even do it without showing your face. And I will talk more about this at the end of this video and give you a free bonus for you to get started. So the second one is going to be an email marketing specialist. This is a marketing specialist that focuses on email marketing campaigns to help companies and brands make more sales. It's kind of like someone who sends email marketing campaigns to the customers and to potential leads of companies and brands and persuades them to buy a product. So all you need to do is become good at persuasive writing and send simple email campaigns in the behalf of brands and companies to help them make more money and get more customers. As you can see here, an email marketing specialist can make anywhere from $50,000 to $80,000 a year. And it's amazing considering that this is an entry-level job. And I also know a couple of people that are literally making hundreds of thousands of dollars a year just from doing this because they actually became very good at it. And if you want to learn why companies hire for this position so fast, it's because email marketing is one of the best strategies for the companies to grow their brand and make more money. It's estimated that for every dollar a business spends on email marketing, they get back $40 in average back. And that's why it makes so much sense for companies to hire people that are going to help them to send effective email campaigns. And there are even just email newsletter companies like MorningView who are able to sell their company for over $75 million. So this is a booming industry and a lot of people are going to become millionaires millionaire from doing email marketing. The thing is that you need to become good at it, but if you do, I guarantee that you can make a lot of money from doing this. It might not be overnight or very fast, but trust me, it's going to be worth it. The third job on the list is something that is trending right now, and that is being a copywriter. And all copywriting is basically selling with a written word. So whenever you are reading an email, a caption on Instagram or TikTok, or also just a YouTube ad, the chances are that it was scripted and written first. And that is what copywriting is. And as you can see right here, you can make about $62,000 a year by being a copywriter. And this is also an entry-level job. You don't need a degree and you don't need any certification or anything like that. But obviously, if you want to make money, you need to learn the skill by watching free YouTube videos and practicing, because if you just go to companies and say, hey, I'm good at copywriting, trust me bro, they are not going to hire you. But this is actually one of the most valuable skills that you can learn. And that's because not only you can make money with this skill, but you also develop your writing, communication and persuasion skills at the same time. That is going to help you a lot in all areas of your life. The only downside of this, in my opinion, is that with anything else as well, it takes time for you to actually practice and become really good at it. And the next job, number 4, is making money on websites like Upwork.com or Fiverr.com, where business owners pay you to pretty much do anything under the sun. This is good because you can be hired for pretty much anything that you are good at, because there are millions of people that are looking to hire on these platforms. So you just need one person from these millions to actually hire you. For example, even I used Upwork and Fiverr to hire over 50 people over the past few years to help me with voiceover, script writing and making videos for my faceless YouTube channels that made me hundreds of thousands of dollars online. And don't worry, we'll talk about it later during this video. But now I know what you are thinking. You are saying, Harut, what if I don't have any skills? Can I still make money? And I truly believe that you can, because there's so many entry-level jobs that people hire for. For example, you can be a social media manager, which basically means managing other business owners' social media platform and posting or scheduling content for them. Or you can be a customer success specialist, which essentially means answering to emails of the customers, or just answer the questions of people on the website of the company that you are working for. Or you can also become a general virtual assistant. And the cool part is that you don't need any previous experience, degree, certificate or anything like that. And my biggest advice for you to work on websites like Upwork.com or Fiverr.com to help business owners is to pick a skill or to pick a job that you like yourself. Because if you like yourself, you will probably do it better and you can get good reviews from business owners. And good reviews are very important for you to be hired for better positions. But now you can say, Harut, you told me in the beginning of the video that you are going to talk about jobs that have very high potential. And is being someone's assistant or someone's right-hand person going to make me a lot of money? And here is the key. You need to work with the right person. If you are able to pick a skill or anything that you like and you actually do a good job with it, you are going to get good reviews on the platform, and then you will have more and better chances to be hired by a better and more wealthy business owner. Then guess what? Over time you will be promoted, because as the famous quote says, if you do more than you are paid for now, soon you will be paid more than you do, which is actually very true. And finally, the online job number 5 is being a faceless YouTube channel owner. Let me explain. That's how I was able to make over $500,000 in the last few years, and I didn't even show my face and I didn't even make any videos myself. And I also have a free video on my channel where I actually showed all the proofs on how I went from being a broke student from a poor country in Europe to making hundreds of thousands of dollars online. So you can check that out if you want, but let me explain how exactly this works, so hopefully you can potentially do it too. And if you stick with this to the end, I will actually give you a free bonus on how you can get started with this as simply as possible. And the way I did it, I picked a niche like football, gaming, cooking, etc. Then I started uploading faceless videos on the channel and treating them like digital real estate that continues to grow over time and make you passive income. And the reason it works that way is when you upload a video on YouTube, and if you know the right strategies, then the video can potentially get views for months or even years to come, so you can keep making passive income from the videos that you have uploaded months or even years ago, which makes this incredibly passive in the long run. And here are a couple of examples of my faceless videos that I uploaded a long time ago that still keep making me money every single day, so you can see that I'm not making this up. Now don't get me wrong, this is not overnight and this is not a get rich quick scheme, and you need to put in the work to set up the channel and grow it properly. And let me show you an example of a faceless YouTube channel. This channel, for example, is called King Luxury, and they just talk about topics related to money, luxury, or billionaires' lifestyle. They just do voiceovers, and you can literally use your phone to do voiceovers, and then you can literally use a free software called OpenShot to edit your videos. And you do not need to show your face or record any videos on a camera. And if you don't want to spend any time on creating the videos yourself, there's even a simpler way to do it. And the way to do this is by outsourcing the work for freelancers online for cheap. So they can make the whole videos for you, and all you have to do is to upload these videos on your channel. And if you know the right strategies, then grow your channel and make passive income from the YouTube ads shown on your videos. And you can do that as soon as you achieve 1000 subscribers on your channel. And trust me, it's not hard to do at all. For most people, it takes just a couple of months to get their channels monetized if they know what they're doing. And we even have a completely free community with over 400 people inside that are also doing this. If you want to join the community, it's completely free and you can find the link in the description. But now let's have a look at the example channel that I talked about called King Luxury to see how much money they are actually making. And as you can see, this channel King Luxury gets over 5.8 million views per month, and if they get $7 RPM, then they would be making about $40,000 a month of passive income from their channel. Now keep in mind that it doesn't mean that when you start a faceless channel, you are going to start making $40,000 a month automatically, but if you put in the work and you stick with it for years, you can definitely do it. Because not only I achieved it, and a lot of our students, and a lot of other people and business partners that I know, but there are literally thousands of people that are making more than $5,000, $10,000 or $20,000 a month right now with this faceless YouTube channels method. And if you use alternative monetization methods with your channels, like affiliate marketing, doing sponsorships or brand deals, you can even 2x or 3x your income on YouTube, because all this income was just from YouTube ads shown on the videos. So you can even potentially make way more money if you put in the work. You can even sell your channels as digital real estate to other investors, because the channel is not tied to you or to your personality. So when someone else buys your channel when it's making money, they will still keep making money with it, because the audience of the channel is not there for you, they are there for the content itself. So if you do this and if you succeed over the next months or years, and let's say you start making $5,000 or $10,000 a month with your channel, you can potentially sell it for tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars to investors online. Of course, if you'd like to do that. So that's another way to potentially exit your business later down the line. Now, I cannot guarantee that if you start this, you will automatically become successful with this. But what can I do? I can help you and give you an entire course for free to help you to get started as simply as possible. But before that, if you watched this video to this point, then just comment below I watched it, so I can actually know what people are watching these videos to the end and what people are getting value from this. So I can hopefully make more videos like this for you guys if you like it. But now, if you want to learn how exactly you can start this faceless YouTube channel method and how exactly I did it to become financially free at Satya Engage, then just go here and watch my free course on how you do that. It is completely free and I truly think that it can help you guys out. So make sure to check it out if you are interested. Thank you, and I will see you there.